Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sana and you're watching Sana Work. In this video, I'm going to show you how I created this beautiful elegant look for beginners with some product explanation. Actually, what someone commented me on the YouTube videos, a beginner makeup look with product explanation. So here it is. I have created this look with minimum products, and if you watch a full video means you will definitely get some knowledge about these products which I have used in this video. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So yeah, in this video I'm going to show you how to do makeup for beginners with minimum products. This is for those who haven't used makeup products yet. So yeah, if you are a beginner means you just need to concentrate on your skincare first. Actually, you should have to maintain your skin properly. Then only the makeup looks good on your skin. If you are in your teenage means your skin already looks soft and plumper. In that case also you need to maintain your skin properly. Before makeup, you need to pick a good moisturizer and sunscreen. These two are must on your skincare routine. So here I'm gonna show you the moisturizer which I'm using from the past 2 years is Re-Equal Ceramide and Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer. I have already talked about this moisturizer in many videos. Actually, I genuinely love this brand Re-Equal because they are having a lots of version in this moisturizer like dry skin, oily skin, acne prone skin. You can pick any one you want. If I am using this moisturizer, Ceramide and Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer, non-comedogenic for normal to dry skin. Actually, this moisturizer is for normal to dry skin, but my skin is oily. Still, I am using this moisturizer to get some plumper and soft skin. So yeah, this is my recommendations. And you also use a Neutrogena oil-free moisturizer, that too also good for your skin. I already did a video about that moisturizer also. I will give it in this card, you can check it out from there. So yeah, this is the moisturizer which I am using today. Actually, for good skincare you need to apply a good moisturizer and sunscreen, that I believe a lot. So I'm using this moisturizer in this way. Just dab it on your skin. If you feel sticky means leave it for few minutes. After that apply a sunscreen. So sunscreen also very must for your skin. If you are going outside and if you are having a sun exposure room means you definitely need to apply a sunscreen because that won't damage your skin. In teenage you won't realize your skin is gonna be damaged in future, but if you apply and if you take care of your skin properly means and it reduces your skin aging. So good skincare is very must. So yeah, for sunscreen today I'm using this sunscreen Minimalist. The brand name is Minimalist. It has SPF 50 with niacinamide plus vitamin B5 plus vitamin F, broad spectrum PA++++. They given a 4 plus in this sunscreen. So and also they have mentioned this is for all skin type. I'm using this from the last month, so yeah, quite good sunscreen for these days. I'm just taking this much of sunscreen. If you are going out in sunlight means this much of sunscreen is must. Just dab it on your fingers and yeah, good to go. Apply it on your neck, ears. You just need to apply all over your face, neck. You can also use that Neutrogena sunscreen. I have already used in many videos. Okay, I'm done with this sunscreen. Next step is corrector. So yeah, before that you can apply a primer also, but here the primer is optional because you don't need to apply a lots of products as a beginner. So I'm just skipping the primer. Actually, I'm going to apply a corrector on my face today. That is very optional for you guys. If you're having a pigmentation means you go for it. Otherwise, that's optional. You no need to apply a corrector because after a few hours of makeup, my face turns into grey. To avoid the grayness, I am applying a corrector to even out my skin. Actually, for corrector today, I am using this Swiss Beauty lipstick. This is in shade Berry. This is in shade Berry 212. You may think I'm applying a lipstick on my pigmented area to avoid grayness. So yeah, I'm using this lipstick. Actually, this is an alternative for orange corrector or red corrector because all the girls will not going to buy a corrector. So here I'm showing this. You can use this lipstick. to hide your pigmentation. Because this is a beginner makeup, so whatever you are having in your hand, you can mix match with those things. So that is what I'm doing right now. So I'm taking this maroon lipstick and applying on my hyperpigmentation area. I have already did a shot on this. You can check out the shots in this card. I will give it in the card. Just blend it with your finger. That's it. I done with the corrector, so I'm gonna set this red corrector with a compact. Compact which I'm using here is Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 330. So take some compact, just dab it on your corrected area. Actually, I'm using compact. This is also optional. If you do like this, the corrector won't move anywhere. So I'm applying this. Now moving on to foundation. Actually, if you are a beginner means just invest in a good quality foundation. If you want to buy foundation means go for a good quality brand foundation, because they have a wide range of varieties and shades that will suit our skin tones. If you are in deep skin tone like me means go for a Lakme 925 and Maybelline Fit Me, which is personal favorite for me, and also Nykaa All Day Matte. These are nearby 500, so invest in this foundation that makes your face flawless. First go to the drugstore, try it on your face, then buy it. Today I'm going to use this Nykaa All Day Matte. This is in shade 14 and the name is Coffee. So I'm taking one pump first. Why I'm telling this to you means foundation has a huge role in the makeup. So go for a good quality foundation and exact matches to your skin tone. The sponge is from Gub brand. This is very affordable. You can buy it in online or drugstore. The brand name is Gub. I bought it for 180 rupees. This blender is good in quality as compared to other high range blenders like Nykaa, Elf, like that. Okay, I blended well. So I'm not going to use a concealer. Concealer is also an optional step. So as a beginner, I didn't use any concealer on my face. So I'm showing my beginner makeup routine. So I'm taking the same foundation and applying on pigmented area and center of the face. Foundation is done. Can you see the pigmentations? This is how the red and maroon lipstick works. This is a great tips for you guys, beginners. Next is to set this foundation. You can use this compact or this loose powder. Both are literally same. This is a matte compact and this one is a yellow tint loose powders. I mostly prefer both. It gives a great look on your face for a party or any function types. I like both the products. I will recommend both the products. This is your choice what to buy. I am using the same sponge. Just dab it on your loose powder. So yeah, base is done. Base is very important in makeup. Next I am going to use this KHOL kajal in upper line and lower waterlines. If you want to apply KHOL pencil means you can apply this REVLON KHOL kajal. If you're having a brush means you can smudge it with your brush. Otherwise, we have a fingers. I'm gonna smudge this upper lid line with my little finger. So this is, can you see how I'm smudging? Just to soften the line. If you're having an angular brush or tapper brush means you can smudge with that brushes also. So can you see the differences in this eye and this eye? Don't make it like a manjurika. Just gently blend. For lashes, here I am using the Sugar Pop Black Volumanizing Mascara. This is quite good for daily use. This is how the wand looks. The applicator is very convenient to use. And next is lipstick. I will definitely recommend to buy this. This is from Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color. This is in shade Pink Nude. Actually, I definitely recommend this shade for all skin tone. I mostly use this lipsticks in outings, functions, in festival seasons, so it suits well. It will definitely gonna suit all skin type and skin tones. So yeah, how it looks. So yeah guys, this is the final look which I have created today for the beginners. If you are a beginner means just concentrate on your skin first. Do a skincare and have some skincare routine, and buy a good quality foundations and that is very important. Foundation and compact has a huge role in your makeup. Let's talk about kajal, mascara, lipsticks, eyeliner that are very optional. That's your choice. You can buy anything you want. But in foundations and compact, don't compromise it. Go for a good quality and make matches to your skin. That is very important for a great makeup look. So hope you like it. If you want more videos like that means please tell me in the comment section. I will make a video for you guys. So yeah, bye bye.